Hi everyone, today we'll go through Korea Blockchain Week side events. Which ones are good, which ones you can skip. Without further ado, let me focus on some of the days. You can actually find a lot of side events. It's a lot of side events, so we won't be able to cover everything here. I'm just gonna focus on how am I choosing which side events are good and which are not. Again, which side events you should attend will be different for me and for you, because maybe you work for I don't know, DeFi, liquid staking protocol, whatever, and you're looking for investors. Then obviously you won't find the people that you need to find in events that I'm planning to attend. But if you're selling any kind of product or service to other B2B businesses or just to other people, you should probably listen to the list that I'm going to compile of. So really the first day that I can see here where things are starting to happen is going to be Monday. And usually what I'm looking for is different branches, different events, different meetups, different gathering, and also events organized by big companies and big teams. For example, this one, 30K Espresso, I would go to that. VCS NLP's Cocktail, usually the Fractal events, they're very, very good. So I always want to go to them, because you can meet a lot of people here and it's always a variety. You can find B2C, B2B investors even at these events. Happy Hours is definitely one of the events that I'm going for. Avalanche events, must have. Web3 AI Investor Story, if you're going for AI stuff, go for that. DWF Labs, for example, if I wanted to close DWF Labs, I would go here. Institutional opening bell, that really depends on the company. And I would really suggest you not only look at the event name, but also look at the sponsors and organizers. So if there is a company that you want to close, or the company that you, I don't know, want to partner up with, well, definitely go to that event. Here when I'm looking at KW Breakfast, usually these kind of events are great, and all events that are organized by Minhaj Kim, they're also amazing. Like, I know her personally, she's been organizing them for a couple of years. She knows her stuff, she knows how to invite good people. So over the time you will see the pattern, you will see like different folks that you know, and the moment when you see that they're organizing, you already know that that's going to be a great event. For example, events that are organized by Halborn, definitely go there. Community Mixer events are usually very good, and you see that the Arbitrum is organizing it, so go there. Web3 Institutional Mixer, if it's applicable for you, definitely go, have fun there. Parties, usually I'm skipping that stuff. I'm morning guy. I usually do my business during the day, and then in the evening I'm just resting or doing something else. Again, 30K event, DI day, again breakfast event, stable coins if you're interested to learn. This event is also happening every big conference, so go here. It's very good for builders, and it's very builder focused, so you will definitely find a lot of interesting projects, ideas, and security auditors there. At the same time, you can also go and dinners, so starting foundation. Well, yes, if you have somebody starting foundation that can let you in for that, you should definitely go there. Stablecoin conferences, usually I prefer going to the main event as well, so around second, third day I would go to a main event to see what's going on there. I don't know if Korea Blockchain Week this year is going to be like really big, but always also try to find like this event, for example, where it's Near and Nansen. Maybe it's going to be like very developer focused, you never know. That's why you also want to sign up for multiple side events at the same time, and luckily at such big events you always have a second option. So for example, if you go here and it appears not to be so good as you expected, you can always go to a different side event. And if you want to sign up for everything at once, you don't want to be signing up for all of these side events manually, I hope, you can always use enrich.io. So either go to our website or just message me in Telegram, or just request a demo on the website, and I'm going to walk you through how can you sign up for the side events in order to have a very nice schedule when you don't have to waste time. Basically takes you 10 minutes and our bot will sign you up for everything automatically. Thank you so much. If you like this video, wait for the Token 2049 one in case you're going. If you're not going, just send this video to your friends, to people that you know also going to Korea Blockchain Week, if you find that it was helpful for you. Thank you so much, and see you. Bye-bye.